What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and a new crypto slash market update in which we'll talk about everything you need to know. Alright, I'm a little bit tired, had a long day, early, had to get up early. So maybe you'll also notice that in this video, but I'll do my best to provide all the information you need to know. So that's obviously around the markets. So we'll look at Ethereum, we'll look at Bitcoin. At this moment, both are still bullish. All right. If you look at Bitcoin, that's holding the 236 fib here, and in general, I mean, if you look at this structure, it's bullish. But then also, if you look at Ethereum, it's even stronger. All right, because Ethereum is holding this level around 30. Well, what is it, like 3650 on the daily time frame? Very, very strong resistance level. Broke above that. We're holding that, and at the same point of time, and that obviously has to do with the Ethereum ETF. But at the same point of time, Ethereum against Bitcoin is also still bullish. All right, so what that means is that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. That's not the only news though. We're going to get the Ethereum ETF news either tomorrow, well, today, tomorrow, or Friday, because two of the parties that wanted to issue the Ethereum ETF, their deadlines are, I think, tomorrow and on Friday. So we'll hear about them at least in the next 2 days. So we're going to be having very, very volatile markets. Know that. I think at this moment, most of the people that know about this, excuse me, but most of the people that know about this think it's most likely it's going to pass. I think in general, because of the volatility that's possible, I would stick to cryptos that are performing very well on their own. And try to stay away a little bit from the Ethereum and Ethereum beta coins unless you want to take that risk. I mean, personally, for example, I hold a lot of Ethereum and I have also bought quite a lot of Athena for Ethereum beta because that's one of the narratives I do think you need to keep an eye on, even though it's risky to trade. So that's coming in the next 2 days, and then tonight, so probably when you're watching this video in about 6 hours, we're going to have the Nvidia earnings. All right, and right now certain cryptos are performing very, very well. So I am like, I almost think that we're getting some news right now. But Nvidia earnings, very important for AI. So think about cryptos like Near, Render, but also Agix, Fetch, all of the big AI cryptos. Interesting. If it's higher than expected, the earnings, then we can actually have some sort of a rotation and rally for AI coins as well. So that's it regarding the news and the big cryptos, right? So Bitcoin right now, even though I do think the funding rates, for example, are getting a little bit high and certain, and Bitcoin is at a strong resistance, hit a strong resistance. The total 3, so the altcoin market also hit a strong resistance. So some sort of a pullback, especially if the funding rates continue to increase, some sort of a pullback or a spike down is to be expected. But for now, most of the indications are still very, very bullish. All right. So that's when we are looking at the technical indications and technical analysis. But also if you look at the volume and if you look at the fundamentals, such as what's going on with the political situation in the US, the Ethereum ETF, but also interest rates, which I think tonight we have FOMC minutes. If the inflation rate continues to drop down, that's very bullish as well. So what do you need to watch? Well, first of all, like I said, Ethereum beta. Now, personally, I think Athena and ENS, or Ethereum Name Service, are the main cryptos you need to watch. You could also watch cryptos like Arbitrum, like Optimism, but those are a little bit more manipulated here and there. More wheels playing around in there, etc. But then I also think Solana and Solana beta is doing relatively well. All right, so you can see that over the course of today, Solana has been one of the strongest bouncers. Very bullish, so I think it's worth it to keep an eye on, especially something like Jupiter, which is right here. I think Jupiter is very interesting. It's at the bottom of the range right here, so short term also interesting, but also something like Byte. But that's what I would watch. Apart from that, there are some outperformers right now, like WIF is very, very strong. There are some others. I was talking about Phantom. I don't think the Phantom rally is over yet, so getting some sort of an entry into that is interesting. And then also AI coins. All right, so then I'm mostly talking about Render, Agix, Ocean, Fetch, and Near. All right, that's what I think you need to watch. And that's all you need to know for now. Now, I'm worried that I'm forgetting something, but I also don't think I'm going to come up with it in the next couple of seconds. So I'm going to cut the video right here. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.